Good morning, student. Welcome to social science class. Okay, student, today we are going to start a new chapter of geography, that is chapter number 7, human environment settlement, transport and communication. Okay, before start the chapter, I just want to tell you that the evolution of human being first depend upon the nature for food, shelter and some other things also. But with time, they have discovered, or you can say they learned new skills to grow food, build homes, and you can say the communication or means of transport. So this is all about the new skill they have learned. In the starting one, we will talk about the settlement. What do you mean by basically? What do you mean by settlement? Settlement is a place, or these are the place where people build their home. Further, settlement is divided into two parts, means it has two types. First is the temporary settlement and the second one is the permanent settlement. So first we will discuss about the temporary settlement. So settlement which are occupied for a short period of time, that is known as temporary settlement. And the example, if you want to ask about the example will be the people who are living in the deep forest, mountains, or you can say hot and cold desert. So those people who build their house over there, that house is a temporary settlement. Second one is the permanent settlement. So settlements which are made to live for a long period of time, that is known as permanent settlement. Again, what will be the example? Example, the people who build their homes to live in. That will be the permanent settlement. So further, the permanent settlement is divided into two parts. The first one is the rural settlement and the second one is the urban settlement. Okay, now first we will discuss about the first type, that is rural settlement. So the villages are the example of a rural settlement where people are engaged in different activities. So what are the activities? First you can say the agriculture, fishing, forestry, craft work. So these are the example in which the people are involved. Okay. In rural areas, basically the people build their houses to suit their environment. So whatever the environment will be there, so that different kinds of houses will be over there. The first example, if I say that region of heavy rainfall, so area that receive heavy rainfall, so what kind of houses you will find over there? The houses have slanting roof. So these types of roof will be found over there where the heavy rainfall is there. Second, the reason where water accumulates in rainy season. Accumulates means it collect over there. Over there, the houses are constructed on a raise. So level of the house is just above the ground, like this. The house is there and these are the base that is above the ground. And the second, the area of hot climate. Over there, the houses, the wall of the houses are thick mud wall. Means they are very thick and they are coated with the mud with detached roof. Next, if I told you that rural settlement is further divided into two parts. First part is the compact settlement and the second one is the scattered settlement. Okay, now we will talk about the types of rural settlement. The first type is the compact settlement. So in compact settlement, basically is a closely built area of dwelling wherever the flat land is available. So the houses are built very near to each other. Why it is so? Because the area, the flat area is very low. The next one is the scattered settlement. In scattered settlement, dwellings are spaced over an extensive area. This type of settlement is mostly found in hilly tracts, thick forest, or a region of extreme climate. Basically, the distance between the houses is very large. Means one house is over here, the other house will be far away. So that is the difference between scattered settlement and compact settlement. Okay, the next example of permanent settlement is the urban settlement. So urban settlement means the houses or the people who are living in the town. Okay, the town basically are small and the cities are larger. Urban settlement. Okay, in urban areas the people are engaged in different activities like manufacturing, trading, and services. Okay, the next topic is now about the transport. Okay, what do you mean by transport? Basically, transport is a means of, or you can say it's a mean by which people and goods move from one place to another. That is known as transport. In the early year, the people had to walk or either they use animal to carry their goods. But as the time has changed or with the passage of time, different means of transport have been developed. But still now also the animals are being used for transport. For example, donkey, camels, bull are commonly used for transport. Or more other example are also over there, like in Tibet, yak is used, and in Andes mountain of South America, llamas are being used in the means of transport. Basically, there are four means of transport. In front of you, I have drawn the flow chart. That means that means of transport. First one is the roadways, second waterways, airwaves, and the last one is railway. Roadways is further divided into four parts: metalled, unmetalled, subway, and flyover. Over here, waterways is also further divided into two parts: land, inland waterways, and the second one is sea route. Okay student, this is all for today. Have a nice day.